Welcome back to First Tries Projects. Today we are replacing the steering wheel on the Yamaha G29 golf cart. First we pull off the cover of the old windshield. It's just clipped into place. And here we've got a nut and a washer that need to come off. That's the only thing really, well, and friction are the only things holding this on. This is the easy part compared to, well, there was a lot of persuasion needed to take the this old steering wheel off. And I apologize for not having my microphone turned on. I realized that after I recorded this. So I'm doing a voiceover in the meantime. So yeah, I'm wiggling it, pulling, trying to use my knees and my feet, my legs to pull this thing off. Rubber mallet, and nothing was taking this off. Used a lot of WD-40 and a lot of hammering and a lot of pulling and yanking, and finally was able to get it off after a couple of days of working on this. And I think here's the audio kicks back in. All right, so I finally got the steering wheel off. It took a lot of persuasion. So anyway, the steering wheel is off, and we are ready to mount our new steering wheel, but it does require an adapter because it has the 6 screws. So we have to attach this first, the adapter. I'm not sure which direction it needs to go. Maybe wondering if I should attach this to this temporarily so I can get it straight up and down. I don't know. Let's figure this out. Yeah, let's do that. So this particular steering wheel has all these protective things on it. So basically I'm loosening these up so I can get that rubber protector thing off. All right, got one started. I get 2 screws started, so it is almost exactly straight. So let's try that. That is what I'm thinking. All right, so we gotta take the steering wheel off so we can put the washer and the nut back on. I will try not to turn the steering wheel. Oh, there's that. All right, so. No, is this going to be just as difficult to get on there? There we go. Quite the right size, but it's close. Oh, it's slipping. All right, I think that's good. All right, do these kind of in a crisscross pattern. And there we go, we're done. Cool. Well, thanks for watching. I think the next thing we're gonna do is put the armrests on the back, so stay tuned for that.